In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in ClickUp. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button and click it. Sign in as you normally do, and select the correct workspace if you're a member of more than one. Having the right workspace and permissions ensures you can add templates without any hiccups. After you're in, look toward the top of your ClickUp interface for the plus icon. Click that to open the Creation menu. From the options that appear, choose Templates. This takes you into ClickUp's Template Center, where you can browse or search for ready-made setups. Before searching, clear any existing template type filters so you can see everything available. If you notice a highlighted filter or category selection, click it to remove it. With filters cleared, place your cursor in the search field and type social media. You'll now see a focused set of results. Find the social media template that fits your needs and select it to view its details, including what's included and how it's structured. When you're ready, click Use Template. If ClickUp asks where to apply it, choose your preferred location, such as a specific space, folder, or list, and then confirm by clicking Use Template again. This applies the template and creates the lists, tasks, and views for you automatically. Once the template is added, switch your view to board. This gives you a visual, column-based workflow that's perfect for content stages like ideas, drafting, reviewing, and publishing. Inside the new template space, open Social Strategy to review the high-level planning area. This is where you'll map out themes, campaigns, or goals so everyone understands the direction. Next, open Twitter posts to see a dedicated list for that channel. It's a great example of how the template organizes tasks with consistent fields, like due dates, assignees, and statuses, making volume content work far more manageable. Now check out Monthly Social Cal. This calendar view helps you map content across the month at a glance, spot gaps, and time your posts around key dates. Then open Weekly Social Cal for a tighter planning horizon, useful when you're finalizing drafts, tracking approvals, and coordinating cross-team handoffs. From here, you can personalize what the template created, rename lists, adjust statuses, and tailor custom fields to match your workflow. The key is that you started with a strong foundation, and now you can refine it to fit your team's exact process. That's all it takes to find, apply, and review a template in ClickUp.